Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today TV. A lot has happened in Southeast that has warranted some groups to insist that Igbos are in captivity, and they have their reasons for saying that. And quickly, in another news, the indigenous people of Biafra have given a sound warning to advocates and movement of Ebubeagu. This is definitely getting tough. Well, before we go into the newspaper to, ram these two news very quickly into one, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. Many thanks for some of us who have already done so, but if you have not, please click on the red subscribe button and to get subscribed, and the bell notification icon to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Let us start with exactly what indigenous people of Biafra has got to say over the security outfit. Well, the proposed launch of the Ebube Agu security outfit may have hit a brick wall following threats by the indigenous people of Biafra Ipob to resist every attempt by the Southeast governors to rekindle the security outfit. The indigenous people of Biafra, in a statement by a spokesperson, Ima Powerful, reacting to the wake-up call on the governors of the Southeast by Ohaneze Ndigbo to make the security outfit operational before the end of the year, insisted that its arm of security, which is the Eastern Security Network, can never work alongside Ebubeagu. Powerful stating reasons why ESN cannot coexist with Ebubeagu, claimed that the new outfit is a traitor responsible for the bringing down of most of their members. He further claimed that Ebubeagu is only being used as a spy by the governors of the Southeast to cause tension in the zone, and later blame it on the indigenous people of Biafra. He said the attention of the global movement and family of the indigenous people of Biafra, under the command and leadership of our great leader Nnamdi Kanu, has been drawn to the laughable call by Ohaneze Ndigbo President General Professor Tr0uble on Southeast governors to re-establish the ridiculous, weak and unpopular Ebubeagu security outfit that has never been able to confront the Fulani bandits terrorizing our ancestral land, but only good at humiliating innocent Biafran youth with the collaboration of security agents. We want to make it categorically clear to Ohaneze Ndigbo and its co-travelers that any attempt to re-establish Ebubeagu security outfit in Southeast will further worsen the precarious security situation in the zone. They should understand that our gallant Eastern Security Network (ESN) operatives have been sacrificing so dearly to secure our ancestral land. But instead of complementing the effort of ESN and indigenous people of Biafra to secure and defend our land against the Fulanis masquerading as herdsmen, these saboteurs, disguising as Ebubeagu security operatives, give information on ESN, that's Eastern Security Network, to the Nigerian security agencies. Because of this treachery, Ipob, which is indigenous people of Biafra, and ESN, which is Eastern Security Network, cannot operate together with Ebubeagu with undefined mission. It is on record that Southeast governors have ulterior motives in forming Ebubeagu security outfit, and we have not seen them as a sincere outfit to secure or protect our mothers, wives, and sisters in the whole of Biafra land. Southeast governors have no plan to protect our land, but formed Ebubeagu to attack ESN, that's Eastern Security Network, and indigenous people of Biafra members. Tr0uble and Ohaneze Ndigbo should not set Igbo land on fire. ESN/Ipob are ready to resist them anytime they are relaunched, and Biafran should hold Tr0uble and Ohaneze Ndigbo responsible for anything that happens. They will regret any attempt to resurrect or relaunch this treacherous outfit that has sabotaged our march towards freedom. Many indigenous people of Biafran and Eastern Security Network operatives tracked and brought down were done by Ebubeagu, sponsored by Southeast governors. And this time around, it is not going to be business as usual. Our intention has never been to bring down our people or innocent people, except Fulani masquerading as herdsmen and rampaging in our territory. Powerful stated. My God, this is quite a lengthy one. And in another news, very quickly, an Igbo socio-cultural group, Ndigbo, has declared that Ndigbo are in prison as long as the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, that's Nnamdi Kanu, is in detention. Reports that report has it that Kanu is currently being detained in the facility of Department of State Services (DSS) on the order of Justice Binta Murtala Nyako-led Federal High Court in Abuja following treasonable felony charges preferred against the secessionist leader by the federal government. Continuing, Ndigbo, in a statement by its publicity secretary, Edomobi Promise, and forwarded on Sunday, maintained that Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist, but radicalized by the bringing down of his harmless followers by Nigerian security operatives. The Igbo group reiterates that calls for the immediate and unconditional release of the pro-Biafran leader. It also warned against any harm to Kanu, as that may be devastating. The Nzuko Ndigbo further emphasized that Ndigbo will only accord them the equity in 2023 if Nigeria accords them the same. It noted that Nigeria owes Ndigbo political debt that must be paid in 2023, else Igbos will leave. According to the group, we cannot be slaves and second-class citizens in Nigeria. The sociocultural body also called on all political parties in Nigeria to zone their 2023 presidency to Igbo land. All right, we have heard what the two news are saying simultaneously. All of them are in the same sync. One is the fact that they want Nnamdi Kanu released unconditional, and the group called Ndigbo is saying that in as much as Nnamdi Kanu is in detention, then Igbos are in captivity. And instead, the fact that Nigerians have marginalized Ndigbo and that Nigeria owes Ndigbo that ticket of presidency come 2023, they should accord Igbos that respect of giving them the presidency, and all zones, all political parties should zone their presidential ticket to Southeast, or else they will be leaving. I don't know how they want to play this. Either you can't eat your cake and have it. It's either you're going to go all out for Biafra and get it, or you go all out for Igbo presidency, which is very dicey because, of course, other zones are also looking out for it. It is not sacrosanct that it has to be for Southeast. It's how you play your politics. Unfortunately, that's how wonderful politics is. You win some, you lose some. And then, of course, the issue of Ebubeagu and ESN. Ipob has laid it all. That in as much as ESN, that's Eastern Security Network, is up and running, Ebubeagu will not be up and running. He just laid it all that if eventually they make any attempt to resurrect the Ebubeagu, which is also that's Ebubeagu Security Network, which is also codenamed ESN, but just that Eastern Security Network came first, and it has been known ever since as ESN. Now, the Prof. Obiozor, after checking through, realizing that yes, there was supposed to be an Ebubeagu Security Network that was supposedly launched, but where are they? So he asked that the state governors, southeastern governors, should relaunch it again. Ipob is already warning ahead, saying if there is a relaunch, then whatever happens in the southeast, they should hold Obiozor responsible because they are not ready to work in collaboration with Ebubeagu Security Network. This is really very, very serious. Well, let's meet in our conversation. What's your take on this whole news? I pray there's peace in the land of South.